Oh, poor little Robert. He's so scared. I straightened his hair. I'm going to take a picture. I'm going to take a picture. Ow. Rob, come on, let me take a picture. Fine. I'm not gonna see, look, Rob. I'm not gonna press it. I'm not going to press it. I'm not gonna press it. I'm not gonna press it. See, you can trust me.
No, I can't.
Oh. Why are you in, like, fetal position?
No, fetal position is like this. Wait.
Look up. You want me to take a picture? Okay.